Hi, Sarah. It's great to see you again. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Today, I want to talk about education. What do you think when you hear the word education?
When I hear education, I think about schools, teachers, and learning new things. What about you, Tom?
I think about learning, too. It's very important to learn new things. How important do you think education is?
I think it's very important. Without education, we don't know how to read, write, or think well. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. Education is really important for life. Did you have a good education in Egypt?
Yes, my education was good. My teachers helped me a lot. What about you? Was your education good in the UK?
Yes, I think so. My school had good teachers, and the students worked hard. Was there a high standard of education at your schools?
It was okay, but I think some schools in the city had better standards. Do you think the quality of education is going down?
Sometimes I think so. Some schools need more money and better teachers. What do you think of online education?
I like the idea. It's easy to learn from home. But I think it's good to have teachers in person, too. How was education at home for you?
At home, my parents helped me study. They always told me to do my homework. Did you have help at home?
Yes, my parents also helped me, especially with English. What do you think the world would be like if everyone had good education?
Oh, that would be amazing. I think the world would have less poverty and more smart people working together. Do you think your government cares about education?
I think so, but maybe they can do more. Does your government in the UK care about education?
Yes, but I think they should spend more money on schools. In which country do you think people can get the best education?
I think some countries in Europe have really good schools, maybe Finland. What about you?
I agree. Finland is famous for having a great education system.
Education is important for everyone. It helps us grow and do better in life.
Absolutely, Sarah. I hope more people around the world can have good education in the future.
Me too, Tom. Education is the key to a better world.
Thank you so much, Sarah. I really enjoyed talking to you about education. You have great ideas.
Thank you, Tom. It was fun talking with you too.
See you next time, Sarah.
See you, Tom.